Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to redeem used Microsoft gift card online. So to begin the process, first of all open a browser on your PC and then open a new tab. There on the search bar you need to type in redeem.microsoft.com and press enter. Make sure that you are logged into your Microsoft account. You will see this kind of interface on your page. Now here what you need to do is you need to simply enter the 25-character gift code that is available at the back of your Microsoft gift card. Now you type in that 25-character over here. And soon after you do that, if your code is correct, you will be automatically able to redeem your gift card. This is how you can redeem Microsoft gift card. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.